Hello guys. Today I'm going to share with you some fact. Okay. Guys, when I was at my job at that time, I motivate people. Why are you sitting idle? You should do something in your life. If you have free time, you can study, you can do some work, you can why are you thinking too much? Like if you want something, then go outside and just find the work for you. If you think that if you sit, the some work will become, some people will be told you the uh, you will do this work, nobody will ask to you. Okay, if you want to just go outside, ask to people, and you will get. And if you just sitting inside the room and thinking, you are thinking, everybody are thinking. If you are thinking also, the what is the possibility that you will get, you will achieve whatever you want in your life. So you have to do work. Okay, if you are thinking, then without any doing work, the day will be past. The time is not waiting for like anyone, not for anyone. If you want to achieve something, if you want to achieve something in your life, if you want to something, then you have to go outside, you have to do that work, then you will get. And lots of people like you, they are thinking, and they are just spending their whole day, and their time is passing. Like I told you now, the time will not wait for anyone. So for whom you are waiting, you have to do by yourself. Maybe today you will not do, tomorrow you will not do, but one day you will have to do. And maybe that time will be late. So start from today. Okay, start from today. I know, like if you want to any job, okay, if you want any work, so go and ask people. Literally guys, if you will find, it may chances that you will get some work. But if you are sitting inside the room and if you are just thinking, what is the possibility? Just I'm asking to you, just you have to think little deeply. Okay, when you will think deeply, when you will take serious, when you will take action in your life, then you will realize lots of things by yourself. It is not necessary, guys, everyone is busy in their life. So if you'll think, then some people will come and teach you how you will grow in your life. No, you have to teach yourself. You have to create your own way, then you will get something. Okay, so just go. Yeah, you can take suggestion from people, you can take suggestion from your around people. Like if you are not comfortable with your around, you can go outside. Definitely the people, definitely they will give some suggestion. You can ask from older people. They are all like they have experience, they have experienced lots of things in their life. If you will take suggestion from those people, definitely you will be great. You 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 will achieve some knowledge, you will gain some knowledge from those people. So why are you not asking? Why are you feeling shy? That people will not come front of you. If you want, you have to go and you have to ask. If you go, then they may help. But if you think that some people will come and some people will help you, some people will push you, nothing will be changed. You have to do by yourself. Okay, if you want, so you will have to do. This is a simplicity. If you want, you have to do. Why the other people will come? This I'm asking to you. Will you come for me? Like, huh? I have to I have to push myself. So just grow in your life. And guys, take action. Taking action is much more important. If you will take action, you will learn something from there. If you will not take, just you will sit idle and you will like pass your time. Usually like you are passing since many years. So I hope you may understand and you will take action. Bye guys.